Tesla has begun a trial production of its Model 3 cars in its new Gigafactory in Shanghai this month. In a letter to shareholders, the company said it is already producing entire vehicles, from the body to paint to general assembly, during the trial period. The company did not mention how long its trial production would last. The company explained on its website that its Model 3 cars will be made from a metal structure that is a mixture of aluminum and steel. The car will feature multiple cameras, a forward-facing radar, as well as ultrasonic sensors to detect nearby cars. According to TechCrunch, Tesla had made a deal with the Chinese government to construct a car production factory in Shanghai in 2018 and broke ground on its Chinese factory only 10 months ago.